Welcome to Rune Conversations, where ancient wisdom becomes practical power. If you are ready to think clearly, act consciously, and strengthen your own sphere of influence, you are in the right place. Have you ever noticed that the moments that shape you the most are not the easy ones? They are the moments of pressure, the moments of resistance, the moments where something in life says, stop, pay attention. That is where Thorn lives. In our journey through the runes, we've already encountered two powerful forces. The rune Fa, the awakening flame, the rune Ur, the deep sustaining life force. But with the rune Thorn, something changes. With Thorn we meet resistance, not as an obstacle, but as a teacher. Thorn is the rune of sacred tension. It is the friction that creates heat, the boundary that defines who you are, the sharp edge that separates truth from illusion. This rune does not wait politely. It strikes. It interrupts, it challenges, and in doing so, it reveals. Think of Thorn like the moment a bow is drawn. There is tension, pressure, focus. Without that tension, there is no direction, no force, no transformation. Thorn stands at the threshold. It asks a question you cannot avoid. Will you recoil or will you refine? Because every moment of discomfort carries a hidden invitation to guard what matters, to release what weakens you, to sharpen your will. Thorn is not here to harm you. It is here to define you. In Odin's rune song, we encounter a powerful moment. He says, I consecrated myself. That is the rune Thorn. Not a ritual performed for others, but a decision made within. Consecration here is not ceremony, it is a line drawn. A moment where you say, I stand by my truth, no matter what the cost. This is where Thorn becomes both weapon and shield. You are no longer drifting. You are no longer waiting. You choose, you act. So, let me ask you something. Where in your life are you feeling tension right now? A difficult conversation, a decision you've been avoiding, a boundary you know you need to set. That is your rune of Thorn. Not a problem to escape, but a force to work with. Thorn teaches us something very direct. Initiation is not given, it is claimed. Every time you choose clarity over comfort, you step into your own authority. Every time you stand firm in your truth, you become both guardian and creator of your own path. So, the next time life presses against you, don't ask, why is this happening to me? Ask, what is this shaping me into? Because within that pressure is the power of Thorn. If this resonates with you, take a moment to reflect on your current Thorn and how you can meet it with intention. If you are walking this rune journey with me, stay with the series, because what comes next is where tension becomes structure. If today's rune conversation gave you insight, practice it, share in the comments how this conversation speaks to you. I respond personally. Subscribe if you are committed to walking this path rune by rune. Until next time, walk in clarity.